Hi there, Suzanne here. Just wanted to talk to you today about manifesting, whether it's good or bad. The thing is, we were born manifesting. It's a natural part of our day. Everything we do, we create. It's not like as if things do happen to us. It's true. But most of the time, if we're conscious, we're in charge of what we bring into our world. And I think because of, in recent years, there was a lot about The Secret and manifesting this and manifesting that, which really took the idea of manifesting to be outside of your control, something that you had to draw to you. But the thing is, it's the other way around. What you're putting into your everyday are the things that you're thinking about, the things that you may want or not want in your life. But the thing is, by not being aware of what you're doing, you're creating havoc, chaos, all kinds of wonderful things that you do and you don't want. So really and truly, you have to think about choice. You have to be starting your day and thinking, what do I want to bring into my life today? What kind of intention? How will I look at the world and see what makes a good world for me? You don't have to worry about anybody else's expectations or creations, what they're bringing into their life. You just have to worry about you. So manifesting is not bad. You were created that way. So that means that God had a hand in giving you this talent, this skill, because what are you but a manifestation of a thought or a consciousness from Source? So it's not so hard. It's not really hard at all. And as you start to understand that and see how it works in your life, then things will start to manifest quicker. The kind of things that you want to manifest in your life will happen. So you have to be really conscious now. You have to really start to think and be in charge of your thoughts, not just random willy-nilly, I could do this or I could do that. No, you just have to kind of think about what you really want in your life, because you're going to draw it to you, as you have been for the amount of years that you've been on this planet already. That's all you've been doing is manifesting. So it's not a unheard of concept if you only knew beforehand. So now you know. Don't waste your time. Do a lot of daydreaming, but be aware of the fact that those daydreams will become true. So dreams do come true, folks. Take that today and let's see what you can do with it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.